Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube video. What a journey it's been. My time in Maui has been nothing short of incredible, from breathtaking beaches to hidden snorkeling spots and unforgettable adventures in nature. In this video, I'm lapping up my trip with a full recap of the amazing experiences I had here in Maui. From body surfing at Makena Beach to snorkeling in crystal clear waters at a sacred beach. Every moment was filled with adventure, beauty memories that will last a lifetime. Join me as I live the highlights of the trip and share my best moments from Maui. Thank you all for watching, supporting and being part of this journey with me. Your likes, shares and comments mean the world, and I truly appreciate each and every one of you. This trip to Maui has been an unforgettable experience, and I hope it inspires you to get out there, explore new places, and create your own amazing memories. Travel opens up new perspectives, brings unforgettable adventures, and reminds us how beautiful the world truly is. So go out there, chase new experiences, and keep living life to the fullest. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more adventures. Until next time, stay active, stay curious and keep exploring. Thank you guys.
Space, a little time for myself when I'm stressed and upset. You know me better than anyone I know. Darling, we have been to hell and back. That's how I know this is forever. All these years, every single tear, all the regrets and I know you better than anyone you know. Yeah, I know exactly how you bottle things up inside, but you don't have to be stubborn, so goddamn proud. I know you better than anyone you know. Darling, we have been to hell and back. That's how I know this is for.
Today is my last day here in Maui. I thank you guys for watching my content, for supporting me. It's been awesome just spending time here at the beach. I'm actually at the beach right now as we speak. So I see you guys can see around here, a lot of people out. So the one thing that I wanted to share with you guys, I had many reasons why I came here, and I'm going to take this video easy so that I can tell you what I wanted to share with you. One of the main reasons why I came to Hawaii was of my mental wellness. So coming here has helped me reset myself, get ready for the next stage of life and the decisions that I'm going to take about my life. I know there are many things that are ahead of me. I share my experiences with you guys, and it's been really nice creating content. This was my first trip that I made since I started making traveling content, and it's been awesome. But I've learned a lot of things that I'm going to work on. Mental wellness is as important as physical fitness. Like just sitting here at the beach and watching people enjoy, swim. I'm not a great swimmer, but I've been going into the water back and forth. It feels really good. Today is my last day here in Maui. I'm spending my evening just walking around and saying bye-bye to this beautiful country. It's been an amazing experience. I've had so much fun. The things that I will take away is it's good sometimes to take some time off, take time for yourself, work on your mental health. When you feel stressed, being on the same situation, the same location all the time, try to take a break, move away, go outside there. It will grow your mind, it will change your mindset. I'm so happy that you guys came with me. I'm also going to work on my skills of creating content. I've learned so much, and I'm going to take this to another level. Medford, Oregon. I'm coming back. See you guys tomorrow. See you at the gym. I'm ready to go. Let's go, guys. Bye. I'm just here getting a chai tea for the trip. I think it's gonna take almost 15 minutes as I wait here, guys. So we'll see. I'm at the Starbucks, my normal chai tea. Even when I'm driving, I have to get one. It's been a nice wait, not too long. Guys, I think my flight is not here now, as you can see outside here. So it's more like a long wait on this side. I'm going to try and use this massage. Guys, when I take these trains, I always get lost. So now I came to Gate P, taking a train, and I am supposed to go to Gate C. So I just came to the elevator. I'm going upstairs so that I can go back to Gate C. It's so frustrating. Okay, let's go. We are not going to get lost. I'm tired. I'm so tired. I just want to get home. It's been so much fun trying to find Gate C, E, which I can't find at all. So you guys can see all over like this area. There's a lot of people, so sometimes it's so hard to find where you are going to. And you guys see Gate C, so let me keep looking for it. It's been a minute. I would say like almost 10 minutes trying to find Gate C, and it's so far from where we were dropped. So let me go ahead and follow this one all the way to the end, see if I will find it. And now we are going to Medford. Medford, here we come.
Breakups, bumps in the road, we've been I know you better